Your first day as a project manager is coming soon? Congratulations, you did it! But I understand that you have some uncomfortable feelings right now. You are wondering, what should you do during this first day? You must take advantage of the first day, because I do believe that it has serious impact on how quickly you will be able to build authority and start performing as a team. That's why in this video I'll show you a few things that I usually do in new teams to position myself as a leader. First of all, you'll need to prepare to introduce yourself. Obviously, that will be the first thing you'll do when you come to the workplace. But you have only one chance to make the first good impression. Therefore, I suggest that you prepare in advance. I have a full video on how to introduce yourself and how to write a short speech that will position you as a leader and as authority in your new team. And the best thing that you can take from that video is that you need to spend time right away to learn your team members. So here's one mistake that many project managers do on a new project during their first few days. They focus too much on processes, documentations, and the state of the project in general, and the emails they need to review. They don't focus on people. You want to position yourself as a leader, and that's why I do recommend you to spend these first few days with your new team members by asking them 3 simple questions. It takes 5 to 7 minutes per person maximum. So here's what you want to ask. What do you do on the project? What do you like about the project? And what don't you like about this project? And is there a way I can fix it? The first 2 questions will help you to learn more about your new team members. And the last one will help you to gain some quick wins in the coming weeks. The trick here is that the majority of new team members won't have any serious problems. You will be able to fix some of them in the coming weeks. This way you will show that you care about them, that you are proactive and that you can solve problems for them, that you are part of the team. And also this short conversation will open up opportunities to communicate more with these people in the next few days, maybe during a coffee break where you can ask more personal questions to learn more about your team members. I'll direct you to that video at the end of this one. And actually you can spend the whole day just talking with your new team members and collecting information about them and about the challenges on the project. But also I would suggest that you ask for introduction to or from your leadership or management. They need to introduce you to the most important people that will impact the project and that you need to work with. You see, they know internal stakeholders better than you are. Because they work with these people, they know who will impact your project. Also, if you do it right, you can build good relationships right from the start. And also you will learn challenges and the roles of those people who are impacting your project. Hey, do you enjoy this video so far? Give it a like and subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this on project management and leadership. The next valuable thing that you can do on the first day is creating a checklist on getting accesses to all the applications, tools, documents, and getting all the privileges that you will need as a project manager. And it's beneficial to work hard on getting all these accesses during the next few days, because when you get up to speed, you don't want to be delayed by the lack of these accesses or privileges. So ask your team members and ask your peer colleagues, project managers, what they use, what systems are in place in the organization, maybe what are the policies, and you will learn what applications and tools you need. So make the checklist and mark it off during the next few days. The next valuable thing that you can do is spending time with your team unofficially during a coffee break or during lunchtime. You do want to get the feel of the spirit and the culture of the organization. During these unofficial talks, you will learn a lot about the motivation level and engagement level of your team members. Likewise, you may find out about some challenges that they experience that you might be able to fix right away. It will give you a lot of bonus points right from the start. And if you follow my advice and you introduce yourself and then you continue talking with the team members one by one, it will be easy to switch to an unofficial environment. For example, during the conversation you find one interesting person. You can simply ask him or her to show you the coffee point and drink some coffee together. Or you can try to go for a lunch with a group of people from your team. During these conversations you can simply ask where do they eat, where can you get a food, what they recommend, and if you do it correctly, some of them will invite you to join them. Don't be shy, do take these opportunities because you will learn a lot from these people and maybe this group of people will become your best friends in the team. Last but not least, you want to make a list of things that you need to do as soon as possible, like nearest milestones, promises to the clients and other things that need to be addressed right now. So you try to get through this list during the next few days and it will be a good introduction into the processes and policies of the company because you'll need to ask a lot of questions to understand what needs to be done right now. I specifically take this exercise because there might be some challenging things on the list and if I can tackle them during the first few days, then most likely the rest will be easy. It's a great way to assess how much effort you need to put into this new project. Frankly speaking, I don't believe that you'll be able to do a lot during the first day, so I strongly suggest that you simply focus on a powerful introduction to your team and spending some time to know your new team members. That will be the best thing you can do. And actually, I don't recommend that you dive too deep into the project management stuff at once. You better spend time with your team members for the first few days and actually build relationships with people around the project as well. These people will be your source of information and support while you get up to speed with the project. By the way, the sponsor of this video is my free action plan on how to become a project manager in the IT industry. It gives you total clarity on where to start your career change. So if you want to become an IT project manager, check the link in the description and get your copy of the action plan. Also, when you get the action plan, you also get access to the tips and tricks on how to get your first project management job that I don't share anywhere else. So do get your copy. So let's recap what I recommend. You need to prepare to introduce yourself to the project team. Then you need to ask for introduction tour to internal stakeholders. Ideally, your leadership or peer colleagues need to introduce you. Then you need to create a checklist on the tools and applications and privileges that you need to get access to. Then find opportunities to spend some unofficial time with team members to learn about the culture of the company. And last but not least, get prepared for the upcoming challenges. Learn about the milestones, critical things that you need to address as soon as possible. So as you understand from this video, introduction to the project team is a critical thing, so I recommend that you watch this video next. Or if you want, you can watch another video where I explain the best patterns of behavior for new project managers like you. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click one of these videos and I'll talk to you there. Thanks for watching.